Welcome back to another episode of the Bad Ideas Garage. My name is Steven, and this is my buddy's Toyota Tundra that has had the catalytic converters liberated. So my job today is to put some catalytic converters back on this 2006 Toyota Tundra. However, not just any catalytic converters, some cheap catalytic converters that I found on eBay. In fact, those catalytic converters. So those were $199 shipped to me from Canada, and then those oxygen sensors, found those on Amazon. And a pair of those oxygen sensors was like 35 bucks. What could possibly go wrong? So as you can see, there used to be a catalytic converter right there, and there used to be a catalytic converter right there, and somebody decided that they wanted them more than Pat. So he lives in Portland, insert your Portland jokes here. And so I said, you know what, Pat, I know a couple things about cars. I'm gonna stick them on, so that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. Surprise! My first challenge. Those. Getting that off is, might be a little challenging. And then back up in there, yeah, we're gonna see if I can do this with some hand tools. I don't think so. So one thing that I noticed is, so I think I have this piece right here. I don't think I have that piece over there. Also, they decided to take his whole muffler. So that's it's kind of problematic as well. All right, Harbor Freight, don't fail me now. Heaven to Betsy's. That actually worked. Cool. All right, while we're down here, we're just gonna do both of these. I think I celebrated a little too soon on that one.
I heard it's pretty common with you.
That one up there just won't come undone. That's fun. Took it from that side. Oh, that was... All right. It's the most flattering angle I could think of. So, yeah, I'm kind of in. The hardware that came with mine sucks. I'm going to put that in, and we might just leave that open for now. So, we did plug in an oxygen sensor. That was pretty cool. And we're going to do that over there. We'll see. Sit rep. So, the hardware that came with the catalytic converter, wrong thread. So, take these old ones, shove the gasket in there, and we're just going to have this held on by a 1 bolt for temporary purposes. And I'm going to hook in these O2 sensors, and in theory, we should at least get the check engine light off. That's the goal for today, and then I'll come back and finish up the rest of the exhaust. It's a tomorrow problem. Alright, oxygen sensor number 1, and the other one up there was already still intact. And then over there we got the same thing, so I really just have one nut holding that in. Yeah, there we go. There's a cat. There's a cat. Okay, we're just gonna read the DCTs right here. 5 faults and 2 pending. Here we go. 0037, 0057, 138, 158, 606, and then pending for 37, pending for 57. Okay. We'll get the full Pat Brown experience. Erase.
Oh, you don't even know what they are? You're just erasing them all?
I said them out audibly, so in the event that we need to say it again, I have it on film. See what I did there? Okay. Okay, look it. None!
Nice.
Okay. So in theory, here it goes.
It's quieter. Maintenance is still on. The other ones are off though.
So it still sounds really good because it's got true dual exhaust. Are you happy, Pat?
I'm happy.
bit of smoke. I think it's because it's a new cat.
Hard to get in.
He's gonna be famous on the Bad Ideas Garage.
I'm not famous.
You're about to drive home in a vehicle that I did the exhaust work on. How do you feel?
Scared.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Or maybe not, depending on how scared you are.